Hello, this is Mark from CFone Communications.
Hello, it's Robert from CFone Communications. Today we're going to talk about the Yealink T31G desk phone. This is a good general purpose phone for use in warehouses, schools, offices, anywhere that requires easy to access and simple functions.
It's got some good features about it. One, it's got a Hall effect switch in the base here, which means it's very hard wearing and you won't get a micro switch wearing out. It's also wall mountable, so you can wall mount it in a school classroom or in a cupboard if it's in a museum or somewhere where it needs to be hidden away or out of sight of general public use. Robert's going to now go over some of the buttons on the phone and explain what they do.
Okay, so here we have the main keypad. Here is the volume button for the phone. Turning it up while the handset is down will increase the ringer volume. If we lift the handset, we can use the volume to increase the volume of the call through the earpiece. We also have the main function buttons down here: mute, forward call or transfer call, call list, which will show you all recent calls or placed calls, voicemail retrieval, headset and speakerphone.